am your chemistry teacher. You will get less number of questions in chemistry when compared to other subjects. So we will see objective type questions instead of going briefly. This is your syllabus, IMU CET syllabus, nuclear and radiochemistry. The next halogen derivatives are alkenes and organic hydroxy compounds, chemistry of transition and inner transition elements, electrochemistry, chemical thermodynamics and energetics, nature of chemical bonds again, absorbance and colloids, carbohydrates, proteins and fats, chemical kinetics, cross coordination chemistry, etc. See here, first question. An electrochemical cell generally consists of a cathode and anode. Which of the following statement is correct with respect to the cathode? Again, I read. An electrochemical cell generally consists of a cathode and an anode. Which of the following statement is correct with respect to the cathode? A. Oxidation occurs at the cathode. B. Electrons move into the cathode. C. Usually denoted by a negative sign. D. Is usually made up of insulating material. Which one correct answer? Anybody know? Which was the correct answer? B. Electron moves into the cathode. C. Cathodes are usually metal electrodes. It is the electrode where reduction takes place. The cathode is the positive electrode in a galvanic cell and negative electrode in an electrolytic cell. Electrons move into the cathode is the correct answer. Which of the following statement is correct regarding electrochemical cells? A. Cell potential is an extensive property. B. Cell potential is an intensive property. C. The Gibbs free energy of an electrochemical cell is an intensive property. D. Gibbs energy is undefined for an electrochemical cell. Which one? Which one correct answer? Cell potential is an intensive property is the correct answer. Because cell potential is an intensive property. Okay. As it's independent of the amount of material present, Gibbs material present. Gibbs free energy is defined from an electrochemical cell and is an extensive property as it depends on the quantity of the material. Cell potential is an intensive property is the correct answer. Which of the following factors does not affect the electrode potential of an electrode? A. Nature of electrode metal. B. Temperature of the solution. C. Molarity of the solution. D. Size of the electrode. Answer is D. Size of the electrode. Electrode potential is the tendency of an electrode to accept or to lose electrons. Electrode potential depends on the nature of electrode, temperature of the solutions, and the concentrations and metal ions in the solutions. It does not depend on size of the electrode is the correct answer. Next one, what is the directions of flow of electrons in electrolytic cell? A. Anode to cathode externally. B. Anode to cathode internally. C. Cathode to anode externally. D. Cathode to anode in the solutions. A. Anode to cathode externally is the correct answer. Yes. An electrolytic cell is a type of electrochemical cell. An electrolytic cell converts electrical energy into chemical energy. Electrons flow from anode to cathode through the external supply into electrolytic cell in the solution. Only ions flow or not the electrons. Okay. So A. Anode to cathode externally is the correct answer. Which of the following is not a secondary cell? See here, very easy. D is the correct answer. Lagrange cell. Which of the following is not a secondary cell? A. Nickel cadmium cell. B. Lead storage cell. C. Mercury cell. D. Lagrange cell. A secondary battery is one which can be charged, discharged into a load and recharged many times. Nickel cadmium cell, lead storage cell, mercury cell are the examples of secondary cell. Lagrange cell is the examples of primary cell. So Lagrange cell is the correct answer because it's not a secondary cell. Okay. Which of the following conditions are satisfied when the cell reactions in the electrochemical cell is spontaneous? A delta G degree greater than 0. B E degree cell lesser than 0. C E degree cell equal to 0. D delta G degree lesser than 0. For all spontaneous chemical reaction, the change in the Gibbs free energy delta G degree is always negative. For a spontaneous reaction is an electrolytic cell, the cell potential E degree cell should be positive. Answer is D. Delta G degree lesser than 0. See here, which of the following is the correct answer order of reactivity of metals? A. Zinc greater than magnesium, greater than Fe, greater than Cu, greater than Ag. B. Zn greater than Mg, greater than Fe, greater than Ag, greater than Cu. And C. Magnesium greater than zinc, greater than iron, greater than silver, greater than copper. And D. Magnesium greater than zinc, greater than iron, greater than copper, greater than silver. Which one? D is the correct answer. Yes. Magnesium, zinc, iron, copper, and silver is the correct answer. What the value of universal gas constant in Nernst equation when the potential is given what? Nernst equations A 8.314 joule mole minus 1 K minus 1 is the correct answer. I know. Yes. B options check here. B 0.0821 atom mole minus 1 K minus 1. C 8.205 M cube atom mole minus 1 K minus 1. D 1.987 cal mole minus 1 K minus 1. A 8.314 Nernst equations 8.314 joule mole minus 1 K1 minus 1 is the correct answer. Universal gas constant is denoted by R and is expressed in units of energy per temperature per mole. Since volts is SI units for potential, R must also taken SI units which is joule mole minus 1 K minus 1. Okay. So 8.314 joule mole minus 1 K minus 1 is the correct answer. And the next, which of the following is not a method of prevention of corrosion? A. Galvanization. C. Anti-rust. C. Cathodic protection. D. Heating. Which one correct? Anybody know? What's the correct answer? A. Galvanization. B. Anti-rust. C. Cathodic protection. D. Heating. Galvanization is the process of coating iron with zinc to prevent its oxidation. Anti-rust solutions are alkaline phosphate and alkaline bromide solutions. The alkalinative prevents the availability of hydrogen ions. Cathodic protection is the process of connecting the iron object to be protected to more active metal either directly or through a wire. Okay. So heating is the correct answer. D. Heating. Which of the following is not a method of prevention of corrosion? D is the correct answer. Heating. Next. Which of the following metal does not corrode? Very easy questions. Anyone say the answer? A. Iron. B. Zinc. C. Copper. D. Magnesium. Which one? Which of the following metal does not corrode? A iron, B zinc, C copper, D magnesium. Yes, copper is the correct answer. Magnesium and zinc are highly active, hence they corrode at the faster rate the iron. Iron undergoes rusting in the presence of oxygen and moisture. Copper, a noble metal that occurs naturally in essential elemental form, is most totally impervious to corrosion. Okay, copper is the correct answer. See, the next question, the rate constant of reaction is K equal to 3.28 into 10 power minus 4 S minus 1. Find the order of order of the reactions. A, zero order, B, first order, C, second order, D, third order. B is the correct answer. Because the general formula to find unit rate constant K is equal to mole L minus 1 S minus 1. Where N is the order of the reactions, the value of must be 1 for mole L minus 1 S minus 1. Because yes, therefore K equal to 3 minus 28 into 10 power minus 4 S minus 1. Represent our first order reactions. B is the correct answer. Second, next, what is the rate law of acid hydrolysis of an ester such as CH3COO C2H5 in aqueous solutions? A, K, CH into CH3COO C2H5, B, K into CH3COO C2H5 into H2O, C, K into CH3COO C2H5 squared, D, K. Correct answer is A. KCH3COO C2H5. Acid hydrolysis of ester CH3COO C2H5 plus H2O gives CH3COOH plus C2H5OH. The order of reaction must be altered sometimes by taking reactant in excess compared to the other. Okay. A is the correct answer. The rate law R equal to KCH3COOC2H5 into H2O. However, what is present in excess? So R equal to KCH3COOC2H5. Which of the following is not a direct factor affecting the rate of reactions? A, temperature, B, presence of catalyst, D, order of reactions, C, order of reactions, D, molecularity. D is the correct answer, molecularity. Molecularity of a reaction is the number of atoms, ions, or molecules that must collide with one another simultaneously so as to result into the chemical reaction. It does not affect the rate of the reactions directly. So molecularity is the correct answers. Which of the following is correct Gibbs equations? A, delta G equal to delta H plus T delta S. B, delta G equal to delta H minus T delta S. C, delta G equal to delta H minus 2 T delta S. D, delta G equal to delta H minus 3 T delta S. Answer is B, delta G equal to delta H minus T delta S. The Gibbs free energy delta G is given by the equations delta G equal to delta H minus T delta S. Delta H is the enthalpy change, delta S is the entropy change, T is the absolute temperature. Which of the following carbohydrates does not have the formula C12H22O11? A, galactose, B, sucrose, C, galactose, D, maltose. Answer is A, galactose. Galactose is a monosaccharide with the formula C12H22O8. Sucrose, galactose, maltose, all are disaccharides. same chemical formula. C12H22O11. A is the correct answer, galactose. The compound with the formula C2H2O2 is a dash. A carbohydrate, B carboxylic acid, C aldehyde, D monosaccharide. Correct answer is B carboxylic acid. See here, B carboxylic. The compound is acetic acid, CH3COOH. So B carboxylic is the correct answer. Even though it has the general formulas C2H2OH of carbohydrates. C2H2O2 is the carbohydrate. It is not one. The C2H2O2 is a carboxylic acid. This is one of the general formula definitions of carbohydrates. So answer is carboxylic acid. The compound with the formula C2H2O2 is a carboxylic acid. Which of the following carbohydrates is not a sugar? Glucose, A glucose, B fructose, C lactose, D cellulose. Glucose, fructose, and lactose are examples of compounds sweet in taste and called sugars. Cellulose is non-sugar, tasteless, water insoluble and amorphous. So cellulose is the correct answer. Identify the monosaccharide from the following. A deoxyribose, B sucrose, C maltose, D fructose. Which one? Anyone say? What's the answer? Monosaccharides are the simplest carbohydrate which cannot be hydrolyzed to similar units. Deoxyribose is a monosaccharide. So answer is deoxyribose. So it all got, O4. Identify X in the following reactions. X plus H2O gives glucose plus fructose. A is sucrose, B lactose, C maltose, D starch. Which one? Sucrose is the correct answer. When sucrose C12H22O11 is boiled for dilute HCl or H2SO for alcoholic solutions. Glucose, fructose and obtained in equal amounts. This is one of the methods used for preparations of glucose. Sucrose is the correct answer. 20. Proteins are polymers. A. Alpha amino acids, B. Beta amino acids, C. Gamma amino acids, D. Delta amino acids. A. Alpha amino acids. Amino acids contain amino NH3 and carboxyl COOH functional groups. Alpha amino acids contain NH3 group and contain adjacent to COOH group. Proteins are hydrolysis yields only for alpha amino acids. So alpha amino acids is the correct answer. A. Alpha amino acids. Which of the following amino acid is optically inactive? A. Glycine, B. Alanine, C. Lysine, D. Valine. Glycine is only naturally occurring alpha amino acid that is optically inactive. This is because the alpha carbon of glycine has two hydrogen atoms attached on it. So glycine is the correct answer. What is the one letter code for tyrosines? A, T, B capital Y, C capital R, D capital S. TYR symbol is a TYR. Code is capital Y. Tyrosine is capital Y. It has a 4 hydroxyphenyl methyl side chain. Tyrosine. Simple TYR. Code is capital Y. Answer is B. Cysteine is an dash amino acid. A acidic, B essential, C aromatic, D sulfur containing. Cysteine is a semi-essential. Neutral amino acid, its side chain is catches CH3, which is aliphatic and contains sulfur. Its symbol is CYS, code is C. Aliphatic contains sulfur. So, sulfur containing is the correct answer. Cysteine is a sulfur containing amino acid. Answer is D. Identify the amino acid with the formula HOC bond CH2 bond CH2 CH into NH2 bond COOH. A glutamic acid, B aspartic acid, C glutamine, D aspargine. Which one? Glutamic acid is the correct answer, I think. Yes, correct. Glutamic is an amino substituted dicarboxylic acid which can be synthesized by the body. Its IUPAC name is 2-amino pentatoic acid. 2-amino pentatoic acid. Since it has 2 COOH group, is acidic in nature. Glutamic acid is the correct answer. What is the correct order of reactivity alcohols with a given halo acid? A 1 degree, greater than 2 degree, greater than 3 degree. B 3 degree, greater than 2 degree, greater than 1 degree. C 1 degree, greater than 3 degree, greater than 2 degree. T 2 degree, greater than 1 degree, greater than 3. Correct answer is B 3 degree, greater than 2 degree, greater than 1. Then next, what is the correct order of reactivity? The following halo acids with a given alcohol. A HCl greater than HBr greater than HI. B HCl greater than HBr greater than HCl. C HBr HCl HI. D HCl greater than HCl greater than HBr. Answer is B. What is the color of KMNO4? Very easy questions. Anybody know? A green, B purple, C blue, D colorless. Which one? Yes. Correct answer is purple. The physical state of potassium permanganate KMNO4 is an odorless solid and they look like dark purple or bronze color crystals. If we dissolve this crystal in water, then the solution becomes purple in color. What is the formula of hematite? A Fe3O4, B FeSO4.7H2O, C Fu2O3, D FeCl3. Hematite. Fe2O3. Yes. C Fu2O3. Ferric oxide. Ferric oxide. Fe2O3 occurs in nature of hematite. It is a red powder insoluble in H2O and not acted upon by air or H2O. It is amaro. It is a red powder H2O and not acted upon air H2O. It is amorphic in nature and reacts with acids and alkalis used for catalytic oxidation of CO2, CO2, both process. Fu2O3 is the correct answer. Hematite. Which of the following is Bayer's reagent? A. Acidified KMNO4, B. Alkaline KMNO4, C. Acidified K2Cr2O7, D. Aqueous KMNO4. Alkaline KMNO4 is called Bayer's reagent. B is the correct answer. Bayer's reagent is an alkaline solution cold potassium permanganate, which is powerful oxidant making that redox reactions. Reactions with a double bond or triple bond, C double bond C or C triple bond C, is an organic material causes color fade from purple pink to brown. It is in addition reactions. Alkaline KMnO4 is the correct answer. Which of the following metal is used as a thermometric liquid? A. Iron. B. Copper. C. Mercury. D. Potassium. Yes, C is the correct answer. Mercury atomic number 80, symbol Hg, is only liquid metal at the room temperature. It has high coefficient of the expansion of boiling point. They help us to identify even slightest change in temperature of the surroundings. Okay. Mercury, symbol Hg, atomic number 80. Okay. 30 question. Today class is over. I will meet next class. Thank you, student.